Buongiorno and good morning. We are checking out and leaving Siena today. We're heading for a new destination in this Italian adventure. We are now going to Montepulciano. So please join us for a exciting trip. See you soon. I just have to give you the last overview of the city and the Dumio here. The city is kind of popping up on the hillside here. It's so pretty. It's a beautiful place. Towards Montepulciano. Oh, here they have some olive trees on the right side. It's not just wine production, but it's also olive oil from Italy, which is really good. Here you have the beautiful wine country. It's vine ranks all over this, I don't know what you call valley, but it's everywhere. So on top of the hillside there is Montepulciano. We will visit that a little bit later today, but first we will go to our hotel and check in. Wow, look at this fantastic place. Just there you have the buildings. We are heading up here. Not sure where the reception is. It's on the, okay, it's the spa, which is up in the front. So we have arrived a little bit early here, and but we will still be able to check in. First we will have a welcoming drink, and then they will show us the property and we can use the facilities after that. So this will be so great. So come on, we are going on a tour soon. It is an amazing place. Yeah, so here is the welcoming drink. Cheers. Before taking the room. I would love to. If it's empty, at least it's perfect for me to take picture.
It's still crowded because it's breakfast time.
Okay.
Usually from 7:30 till 11 is breakfast time. But there is the pool outside. There is a spa. Now maybe it should be quite empty probably. The pools are empty because it's not so warm.
Now we were a little bit unlucky with the temperature and get the real estate. So what is the building up on the right side?
That one on the right side is the villa.
That is the villa?
The villa, because the property was once at the beginning owned by a noble family, the Conci, which were agricultural entrepreneurs. So basically they built this place, dividing it into blocks. This one in which we were was the fattoria, the farm.
Yes.
So the animals were stored there as long as the food. I don't know if you noticed there was glass on the pavement at the reception.
I saw that. There was a hole.
Yeah, there was a hole, and it guides you to the underground floor where the food was stored to keep it cooler. Okay. And here we have the limonaia block, a small block.
Yeah.
And that's the place where they grew lemons, because when the pharmaceutical wasn't advanced, they were citric acid. Citric acid was used to prevent disease, to keep the servants healthy.
Yeah.
And so they grew lemons there. Next to it, there is the scuderia, which in English we can translate as stables. for the horses. They hold the horses there.
Yeah.
They were useful for working the fields and do this kind of worship. Here we have the pools. Pools are not heated here. There is a pool bar as well.
Yeah.
And you can order things while you stand by the pool.
That is perfect.
And it's open till 7
Yeah.
in the afternoon. And beyond that, you can see another building, which is a wooden building, which is the gym.
Okay,
Which
yes.
is open 24/7 instead.
That
So
is
anytime,
perfect.
If you want to go to the gym at midnight, for example.
Well, maybe not at midnight, but maybe in the morning.
In the morning instead.
Yeah.
And yes, and then there was talking about blocks, ancient blocks. The villa is the more ancient one.
Okay.
Where the restaurant is.
Yes.
Instead, the room is there at the farm.
At the farm.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful estate.
That's the gym.
Mm-hmm.
And here we have the spa.
Oh, nice.
The spa is open from 10 in the morning to 8 in the afternoon. And we have service complimentary, like the ones we're going to see. The only extras are manicure, pedicure, and massages.
Okay.
Yes, it's the entrance.
Let's go in. Oh, wow. Oh, it feels great. I am going to jump into this pool very soon. So, but first we are looking at the rest of the place. So here you have 2 emotional showers with the lightings. Wow, this is very relaxing place. Nope, there is no one inside, so you can go inside. Woohoo!
You're going to visit some wineries?
Yes, we haven't booked.
Here we go towards the restaurant. As I said you before, the restaurant is open from 7:30 in the morning till 11 for breakfast.
Yes.
And from 1 to 3 for lunch, and from 7 till 9:40 for dinner. Villa here is in neo-colonial style, and the restaurant's name is the La Via della Seta, which in English translates as Silk Road. Silk Road.
Okay.
And it wants to be a point of encounter between the East culture and the Western culture. And you see from the mobilia here that it's also Oriental style as well, Middle East and
Yes.
This is the entrance. This is the library. There's also a place where to eat.
Yeah.
And this is the dining room. Always check the bar is on that side.
Yeah.
On the other side, for breakfast in the morning, you can have a buffet of things over there.
Perfect.
And here there's a party. For the rest, I will, since you have something to film, I'll show you also the balcony, okay?
Yes, that would be lovely.
Montepulciano.
Yeah.
The surrounding places like Montepulciano. And this is especially nice at the sunset because the sun goes down there in that direction.
Yeah.
So at the sunset, when it's 8:49, the sun goes down here and you can enjoy it
With a glass of wine.
with a glass of wine. Yes.
Wow. It's very pretty.
So I think I will leave you here.
Yes, thank you.
You can enjoy. If you need to go to the restaurant, you can ask the staff there.
Yeah.
And when the room will be ready, we will try to find you inside the property, okay?
Okay.
We'll phone the spa and the restaurant and ask for you.
Thank you so much.
And inform you that the room is ready.
Yes. Thank you so much. See you later. Thank you so much for your showing us the property. Wow, this place, it is so beautiful. It's I don't think we can capture it properly on the camera. I hope so, but it smells so good everywhere. The view is breathtaking. The only thing now would be to have a little bit more sun. So hopefully this afternoon we will be able to enjoy the pool outside. But now we will go and relax in the spa, I think. It's a little bit chilly. So the breakfast here, it is really good. It looks, everything is so fresh. It's great product with hams, cheeses, sausages, all the best things you can ever want to have. So as much as mimosas you want to have as well.
Ciao, ciao. Hi, sorry. The guy for the reception is coming in to show your room, okay?
So outside here is the breakfast area where you can enjoy your breakfast when it's warm weather like today. It is a little bit cold, but it's okay to sit out. Let's go down to the reception. I believe our room is ready. Voila. Thank you. Wow, what a great room. So let me show you. So here you have the most beautiful room. The bed looks really nice. It has a tall ceiling and the air in here feels very good. You have the view of the vineyards outside, and here you have a desktop if you want to work. You have a separate couch area. It's really pretty. And then, of course, big TV. So here on this trolley, you have some complimentary water and some biscottis. Really, it looks really good. And let's check out this minibar. It looks like a trunk. Really cool. Here we have a coffee station. That will be very necessary tomorrow morning, I think. And then you have some nice teas, I believe. So tea on the outside. And you have here in the fridge, you have some Peroni, some beer, some juices, a little bit of cola, Coca-Cola and water, and some drinks. Limoncello, of course. And you have a bottle of red wine. So the minibar is not complimentary, but yeah. Let's head over and check out the bathroom. Here you have a dressing room, like the wardrobe, and the bathroom. Wow, this looks like a great bathtub. It's very tall ceiling, beautiful beams. And here, hello, you have the vanity and of course great lighting for doing some makeup. It is a very pretty room. So the best part here is so huge. It's a really great size room with we have additional seatings and you can really enjoy and relax. So after visiting a vineyard, if you want to come back here, just have a cozy glass of wine I'm looking forward to that. This is the perfect place to have a vacation. Everything here is very calm, relaxing, so it's the perfect vacation spot. The whole place here seeks of luxury, so everything it feels very luxurious. The whole hotel, it's a great place. So yes, so price point for this room is 800 euros. Of course, you can up the game, have a much larger room if you want that. But this is perfect for us. So that is 800 euros per night. Let's head for the spa. So we are going to enjoy a glass of Sangiovese. We're on the terrace. Nice. This amazing view.